evening and welcome to IIJNM News Bulletin. This is Dipanshi Chikara.
And I'm Prajvala Hegde, and the headlines for today are:
City Traffic Police is not booking people who do not wear seatbelts. BBMP is dumping garbage from the city into a river in Kumbalguru. The drain chamber construction at Komangla is causing problem to the pedestrians. Water crisis is making life difficult for the residents of Ellen Nagar slum. Children under 16 years of age are working as garbage collectors in Komangla area.
Go. According to the Motor Vehicles Act, the passenger sitting on the front seat of an automobile has to wear seat belts. But in Bangalore, nobody is doing so. Reports Raghuram R.
It is against the law to drive without wearing a seat belt. Violators should pay a fine of 100 rupees.
Whenever I go to city, I don't wear the seat belt because nobody is wearing the seat belt.
A report prepared by Nimhans shows how the Bangalore City Traffic Police booking for driving without seat belts has come down.
A case of jumping traffic signal, and then added to it will be this seat belt without seat belt.
So internal bleeding in the abdomen, intrathoracic bleeding, and head injuries where the head hits the steering wheel can be avoided by using seat belts.
Study says that the chances of death in an accident is double when you are not wearing a seat belt. Reporting for IIJNM, Raghuram R.
The unattended drainage chamber construction at Koramangala 7th block is causing difficulty to the people to walk through in that area. It is also leading to traffic congestion. Anjali Mangal brings us more news on this.
The drainage chamber construction work at Koramangala is going on since 6 months. Due to construction, the footpaths were also broken. Broken footpath and unattended work is causing problem to the people.
You can't walk over here and you need to step out in the road and walk.
This construction work is not only causing problem to pedestrians but also creating traffic jam.
आपको यहाँ पे क्या-क्या दिक्कत होता है?
ट्रैफिक में जाम होता है ना.
The BWSSB Assistant Engineer Mr. Venkatesh Ramanappa say that we are aware of the problem and we cannot tell the exact date of work completion, but it may take 3 months more to complete this work.
Anjali Mangal, IIJ.
We'll be right back after a short break. The next story coming up is:
illegal parking of cars on road is causing traffic congestion.
Battery.
Welcome back. There's an increase in traffic congestion in the 9A crossroads in Jayanagar due to cars being parked illegally along the road. Reports Madhurima Mazumdar.
Jayanagar is a busy road providing main route for ambulance along with many other vehicles. With some vehicles parked illegally along the road, it doesn't provide enough room for the community.
Vehicle over here, and how can they clean, man? No way, na.
The position of cars not only causes problems in communication, rather, it also affects in the cleaning of that area.
Coming, BBMP, sweepers. That time the vehicle is there. How can he can't go under the vehicle?
The parking in Jayanagar is not only restricted to traffic congestion, but many other problems. Nothing has been done to remove the vehicles or to stop this. Madhurima Mazumdar reporting for IIJNM News Bulletin.
The BBMP is employing children to collect garbage from houses. Reports Avnish Tiwari. The children under 16 years of age are working as garbage collectors in Koramangala. Deva, a garbage collector who is 15 years of age, has been working since 4 years. But the BBMP contractor says that they have workers between 20 to 50 years of age and the van driver would have hired children on commission basis. The officials say that they will talk to the contractor and will take action against it.
The residents of Kumbalguru are facing inconvenience by paying the salary to the garbage cleaners themselves due to delay in payment by the Gram Panchayat. Dipanshi Chikara reports.
The residents of Kumbalguru are saying that the Gram Panchayat doesn't pay the garbage cleaners on time. They also added that one of the major reasons behind the cleaners not working properly is that they're on contract basis.
ಪಂಚಾಯತಿಂದ ಗಲೀಜು ಕ್ಲೀನ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ, ಮಾಡಿಸಿದ್ರು ಅವ್ರು ಕ್ಲೀನಾಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಲ್ಲ. ಅದರಿಂದ ಇವಾಗ ಜನಗಳು ಕಾಸು ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ತಿರ್ಗಾ ಅವ್ರವ್ರು ಸಪ್ರೇಟಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ಕೊತಾರೆ. ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕು ಪಂಚಾಯತಿಯವರು, ನಮ್ಮ ಪಂಚಾಯತಿಂದ.
The cleaners said that the panchayat twice gave the payment late. The Gram Panchayat, on the other hand, had a contrasting opinion on the matter.
ಪರ್ಮನೆಂಟ್ ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯೀಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಅವ್ರ ಸ್ಯಾಲರಿ ಮಂತ್ಲಿ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೀವಿ. ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಆಗಿ ಬಿಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಪ್ರತಿ ಹಳ್ಳಿಯವರು ಕ್ಲೀನ್ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೀವಿ.
Panchayat says that they hire employees only on permanent basis and not on contract. We are heading towards a short break, but before that, let's have a look at the story coming up next.
Mobile tower installed next to school, increasing chances of health concerns.
Studies show that a person loses 7 minutes of his life every time he smokes a cigarette. Be nice to smokers. They don't have much time left.
Welcome back. The Kumbalguru Government School has a mobile tower right next to it, causing electrocution danger to the students as well as the residents. Shreya Iyer gets more updates.
The mobile tower near the Kumbalguru Government School, situated right next to it, are increasing the chances of health concern to the students as well as the people nearby. Installation of mobile towers are increasing in Kumbalguru and children are vulnerable to these radiations. The government had said that these towers should not be installed nearby schools and hospitals. According to Mr. M.C. Ramesh, Environment Officer, says that these rules are blanket rules and is applicable to all. NERI has been entrusted the work of coming up with guidelines which everybody have to follow. The building owner is unaware of this issue. Constant exposures to these radiations will affect the health in long run. Shreya Iyer, IIJNM, Bangalore.
There is an irregular water supply in Lakshman Rao Nagar slum since last 1 week. Ananya Sinha brings us the news.
Improper and irregular drinking water supply is making life difficult for the residents of Lakshman Rao Nagar slum.
नहीं आता नहीं आ रहा है. आप लोगों ने कंप्लेन किया है कॉर्पोरेशन में? पानी नहीं आ रहा है.
BWSSB is not providing clean drinking water to the residents of Lakshman Rao Nagar slum, and the area is also not getting drinking water from last 1 week.
ऑफिस कब कंप्लेन करते हो पर कुछ कोई आता नहीं, कुछ काम नहीं होता. नहीं वो AW ऑफिस में जाको कंप्लेन करिया, वो कंप्लेन करने तो कौन भी नहीं है.
Reporting for IIJNM, this is Ananya Sinha.
Cut flower growers are facing less production of the flowers this year, reports Rohan Deshmukh.
Cut flower growers, mainly the small growers, are facing problems with the production. Because of the excessive heat this year, the production of flower is less.
The last few years, especially this year, it's been really hot. It's they're not seeing the same kind of patterns that they were seeing in the past. So definitely that is impacting production.
The festive season, which is the peak season for this business, is experiencing less flowers this year. Maria Joseph, a flower boutique owner, says though flowers are available, but the variety of the flowers are less, because of which they are facing difficulties in meeting customers' demand. Not only the domestic market, the large number of flowers which are exported for the international market is also less. Hence, the profit is also less. Rohan Deshmukh, IIJNM.
Now let's have a look at the weather report.
Good afternoon. Bangalore right now has a mix of sun and cloud with a maximum temperature of 29 degrees Celsius and minimum of 22 degrees Celsius. There is a chance of thunderstorm and 4 to 7 millimeter of rain in the evening.
That's all for news today.
For further updates, log on to www.iijnm.org.
Have a great day.